Now in method of semi-average, two things we need to remember. What we'll do, we will divide the entire chronological series or the part into two parts. Okay, but let's say take an example that it is given 2000 to 2000 and 2001 to 2010. We are having 10 different years chronological data we are having. So then it is fine. What we'll do, we'll divide it. We'll divide it by 5 and 5. That is easy. But if the chronological data is given for odd number of years, that means let's say 9 years, then what we will do, the middle year we will leave it blank. We will not calculate that, we will leave it as it is, and we will consider the 4 years, first 4 years and the last 4 years. We will take the average of first 4 years and the average of last 4 years of sales, or the, if it is saying the production, if it is saying the profit, and so on and so forth, and we will be getting two different points, average points, and then I will draw a dotted line considering these two points as a reference. Okay, and then the trend will get the trend line, semi-average method, right? So now in this case it is mentioned that under this method the whole time series data is classified into two equal parts, right? And the averages of each half are calculated, which I explained you just right now, taking 10 years and the 9 years data in the chronological manner. If the data is for even number of years, that is fine, it is easily divided into two parts. If the data is for odd number of years, then the middle year we will leave it as it is, okay, as a series is left, and two halves we are constituted, whatever you are getting, okay, two halves leaving the middle year left, we will find the halves are constituted with the period of each are middle year, leaving the middle year line, and the we'll be getting the two points, okay, average points, and we'll connect these two average points. Now here the problem is given, okay, think the same thing, it is given for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 years, 2000 to 2006 years sales data for, let's say, Coca-Cola, or you can say that Pepsi company, Kurkure, or anything, Thumbs Up, and so on and so forth. They have mentioned that in lakhs of units the sold data is given, right? So now what we need to do as a solution, first, as the data is for 7 years, what we will do, we will cancel it or will not consider this year data. So what I will do, first we will calculate the average of these three. So 100 plus 105 plus 115 divided by 3. So if you calculate, we will be getting 106.67. So that means, in short, I can say the average value of the sales of Coca-Cola is 106.67 lakhs of unit, okay, of the average 2000, 2001 and 2002 years of sale. Similarly, as I said, this is the odd number of years is given, so this will leave it, and then again what we'll do, we'll try to find out the average of this 3 years. So if I calculate, we are getting 113.33 lakhs of unit average sale for last 3 years. Done. Now once we get it, then what we need to do, we need to draw a line, correct? We need to draw a line in the middle of that. So this is the this is the chart, which you can say this is the sales, and this is the year which is given, right? So this is the actual sales in 2000, year of 2000 it is 100 lakhs unit, it is 105 lakhs unit, in 2002 it is 115, 110, 120, 105, and finally in 2006 it is given 115 lakhs of units, which is given there. So this is the normal plotting which you need to do, and then we have done the average. So average value of these three, I can see it is 106.67. So let's say I'm just saying that 106.67 is coming here, something like that, right? 106, something like here, okay? So this one, and then we are getting the average point of 113. So 113 we are getting here, roughly here. So here 113, it is 115, little bit less, 113, correct? So we are getting the average value of that. So 113 and all. So what I am going to do now, I am going to connect that 2 points, 2 average points, like 106 and 115, and we are getting a trend line, which is this. So the arithmetic mean for this half is taken to be representative of the value of corresponding of the midpoint of the 2 time series interval of that value. Thus we get 2 points, and these 2 points are plotted on the graph and then are joined by straight line which is our required trend line. So this is the required secular trend line. Hope you have understood how we can use the concept of semi-average and how we can calculate or you can draw the secular trend line. Through this, actually you can make a lot of predictions in your business analysis or related to your business problem and the data analysis problems. Next,